Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm here for you with a new question. Let's look at it, what we can do. Today's question is kind of a little bit harder than the previous ones, and we need to follow the steps. We need to summarize each steps. So then consider on what we can do, okay? Let's start. Okay, write a program that randomly generates 10 numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, so we need to summarize, simplify the method. What we're gonna follow to resolve the questions, convert them to programs, right? Okay, random. So we can write now the steps. The first steps, we're gonna randomly generate 10 numbers from 1 to 10. And the other step is 2. 2 is the second step, is gonna be the user guess each number. Okay, this is the order we're gonna follow when we are building the code. And the third step is for each guess, it is right, wrong, or close. So the output is gonna be right, wrong, close. We're gonna print out the result, something like that. Okay, and the fourth step is gonna say that you need to generate another variable which is called score. And this time it's going to be add 5 to score for correct guess and add 2 to score for close guess, and we're gonna subtract, right, or add -1 for wrong guess. And the result is gonna be the print the accumulated score after each guess. Okay, this is the question, and you can see the encoding process. We're gonna follow these 5 steps, these four steps to build our first programs, which is kind of, as I said, the challenging problem. That's why we put them order to understand better what kind of process we're gonna follow to encode, to simplify the method, convert them to program. Okay, let's start. So as usual, we generally work with the random library. We're gonna import random library from random, import random. Okay, so for I in range 10, because why it's 10, it's saying the 1 to 10. They randomly generate 10 numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, so we're gonna repeat the process 10 times. That's why we are using for loop, but it is asking for the pick 1 through 10 numbers 10 times. Okay, so we are gonna pick random numbers between 1 through 10 as well. Okay, so right after we created our numbers, we are gonna expect the user to find out, to guess the numbers between 1 through 10. Guess eval again, because integer, and receive the user's reply. Your guess between, we can call 1 through 10. Okay, so they are gonna reply and enter the numbers. If so right after they enter the number, if guess equal or, this is the number that computer generated, this is the user entered into computer. If they are equal, what is asking for. If so, the output is gonna give right, wrong, close, right? If it is right, what we're gonna do? If it is right, score variable has to be increased 5 numbers, which means we need to add to score 5 for the correct guess. Okay, so the print right, we're gonna write print, and we're gonna add score to 5. It's exactly like this, score time 5. So it is the same thing. Okay, what about the answer is wrong? What we're gonna do? We're gonna add two. So if the number add close guesses. If the number is close, so we're gonna add 2 to the score. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use LDF, right? There is the second condition we're gonna use. If guess, so let's put it into absolute, guess minus, so R, the computer generated number, if equal 1, so print close, and score is gonna be increased like 2 numbers, number of 2. If it is wrong, so you need to do something different, right? Else we're gonna, because the last condition is the otherwise of the condition, else print wrong, score is gonna be -1. So what is it? It is same. You can use this type of equation like that. It doesn't matter what operation that you are, the math operation is gonna use. It's all right for every operation, like the score -1 or score times 2, 1, something. It's all same. Okay, so this is going to be the last part. We're gonna print out everything in for loop. We are not gonna look at the out of the for loop. We're gonna look at the in the for loop, because we need the total score, right? Print current, sorry, we need to put a quotation mark, current total score is, yeah, then comma, which is score. Okay, there's something missing here. Score is added to the, as you can see, we didn't create the score, we didn't start the starting point yet, because score is right now is string, right? We can't add the number to string. That's why score has to be number. We have to store the number into string, which is score variable. Score has to equal 0. There should be starting point. Then you are gonna add the numbers to the numbers, right? Not the string. Okay, let's run what we have. We can see. Okay, let's guess 2. It's wrong, so -1 minus count. Let's say 5, and it says wrong. The total is 2 minus. Let's say 7. Let's say the current total. Oh my god, I'm going wrong. Okay, 9. It's the 4 minus 3, 2, 0. It's not 0. 1. Okay, I think I'm not gonna guess the number. Okay, everything, yeah, I close one time and the total is -4. It's something like that. As you can see, we built our challenging program right now. Hope you like it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please let me know if you have any question.